the Action 3 camera port door. We're going to open up, take a cable, and we're going to connect it to the camera and turn on a power bank that has enough supplied power, and the camera should start to charge over here. If we turn on the camera with the mode on 1/1000, the camera should turn on and show battery power and the electricity sign of charging. If we now hit the record button and we take a photo, we are good. We want to make sure that we're doing video. We are charging with the green light, and we're going to hit the record button. We are recording while charging. Now we can take out our battery by lifting up. See if the camera still records without the battery inside. It's running off of electric. And then one of the things we do not want to do is crash the camera or shut it off, because we'll lose the file altogether. So when you want to swap out batteries, use a power bank, put your battery in, close your door, and then you're able to take your power supply, remove it from your camera without getting uninterrupted power. You have everything working 100%. The only way this camera may or may not work with the power supply is by taking this door off, using one of these external wireless mics that has a pass-through, and when we plug it in, will we see power to the unit? And we do not. So the microphone may or may not work at all. So we see that we did get power. It took some time, and we are going to connect a microphone and see if the microphone now connects to the camera while recording. So these are the things that you have to ask yourself. Will some things work while you're trying to hook up your camera? And one of the things that does not work is the wireless mic in this particular setup at all with this cable. When it's removed, then we should start to see the microphone working 100%. So this is how we troubleshoot things, by doing a little bit of bench testing. I hope this camera will work for you with a power bank running endless time while recording.